From condos to single-family homes, what is the best investments for Miami in 2025?
Miami's real estate market continues to evolve, offering unique opportunities for investors. Whether you are in a sleek condo in Brickell or a charming home in Coral Gables,
this video will help you pinpoint the best property types for your investment goals. Let's dive in.
First, let's talk about why Miami continues to be a hotbed for real estate investments. With its growing population, international appeal, and a strong job market, Miami remains a magnet for both domestic and international buyers. Add to that the year-round sunshine, diverse culture, and increased demand for vacation rentals, you got a recipe for thriving real estate market. According to recent reports, Miami's population grew by nearly 10% in the past decade, and job opportunities in tech and finance are bringing even more professionals to the area. You might be asking yourself these questions. What neighborhoods in Miami have seen the most growth? Are there any specific areas where property values are expected to rise? Here are top 3 property types to consider. Condos in urban hubs.
If you're looking for properties with high rental demand, Miami condos in areas like Brickell, downtown and Edgewater are prime options.
These locations cater to young professionals and offer proximity to offices, nightlife, and public transit. Leave a comment below to which area you think will have the most growth in 2025. Here are the pros. High rental yields, low maintenance compared to single-family homes, appeal to international investors and renters. Here are the cons. HOA fees and regulations can add to costs, oversupply risks in certain areas. You might be asking yourself these questions. How can I ensure my condo investment stands out in a competitive market? Focus on unique features like upgraded kitchens or smart home systems. Prioritize properties in prime locations near transit and amenities. And consider offering high-quality finishes or amenities that appeal to renters and buyers. What are the average HOA fees in Miami condos? HOA fees in Miami typically range from $300 to $1,500 per month, depending on the building's location, amenities, and age. For example, luxury condos in Brickell and Edgewater often have higher fees due to extensive amenities like pools, gyms, and concierge services. Single-family homes in suburban areas.
For families and long-term renters, single-family homes in suburban neighborhoods like Coral Gables, Pinecrest, and Condo are an excellent choice.
These areas offer great schools, spacious yards, and a quiet lifestyle. I will leave a link in the description with a list of properties for these areas. Here are the pros. Stable appreciation over time. Long-term tenant potential. Flexibility in property use, example Airbnb versus long-term rentals. Here are the cons. Higher maintenance costs, requires more hands-on management. You may find yourself wondering, are single-family homes better for Airbnb or long-term rentals in Miami? This largely depends on local regulations, which may limit short-term rentals in certain areas, as well as neighborhood preferences. For example, areas like Coral Gables may favor long-term rentals due to stricter rules, while neighborhoods like Little Havana could be more accommodating to Airbnb. Comparing profitability, Airbnb can yield higher returns in tourist-heavy areas but requires more management, while long-term rentals offer steady, predictable income. What's the average return on investment for single-family homes in these areas? On average, single-family homes in neighborhoods like Coral Gables and Pinecrest yield a return on investment of 5% to 8%, depending on the factors like property conditions, rental demand, and purchase price. Investing in well-maintained homes in desirable school districts often results in higher returns. Pre-construction properties. Pre-construction condos and homes are another popular choice for 2025. Developers are offering attractive pricing and incentives for early buyers, especially in areas like Wynwood and Midtown Miami. I will leave a link in the description with a list of pre-construction properties, or you can watch this playlist here. Here are the pros. Opportunity to customize finishes, lower entry prices compared to completed properties, potential for higher appreciation once completed. Here are the cons. Delays in construction, risk of market change during the construction phase. How can I evaluate the reliability of a developer? Look into developers' track record by reviewing their past projects, checking for consistent delivery timelines, and reading reviews from previous buyers. Additionally, consult real estate professionals familiar with the developer's reputation in the local market. Are there tax benefits to investing in pre-construction? Yes, investing in pre-construction properties in Miami can offer tax benefits such as depreciation deductions, lower property taxes during the construction phase, and potential savings on capital gain taxes if held long-term. Consult with a tax professional to understand how these incentives apply to your specific investment. Before making your investment decision, here are some key factors to keep in mind. Location trends. Areas with new infrastructure projects or developments planned often see higher appreciation. Rental demand. Evaluate whether the area caters to short-term, long-term, or vacation renters. Market conditions. Monitor interest rates and inventory levels to ensure you are making a sound investment. And of course, always work with a real estate professional who understands the nuances of the Miami market.
So whether you're leaning towards a sleek condo, a spacious single-family home, or a promising pre-construction project, Miami offers opportunities for every type of investor. If you find this video informative, please hit the like button so we can create more content like this one. And don't forget to follow for more Miami real estate and beyond.